Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. In today's video, we are going to discuss about reference books interior designers should be referencing. Even if you are watching my video of complete interior design tutorials, or if not, you are practicing interior designer, these books are must-have books for any interior designer as per me. So, and if you want to begin the course or start your journey as an interior designer, these books will really help you a lot, and they will help you in designing anything and everything and planning. So let's see the books. And before that, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, because I make contents regarding interior design, all sort of design fields, creative fields, especially regarding graphic design, interior design and UX UI design. And if you want to know more about these things, and if you are interested in jobs related to these fields, please subscribe to the channel. That's why the name Creative Careers. Creative E without a E. Okay, so let's move. First book in my list is NEUFERT's Architect Data. This book will really come in handy because interior design is a subset of interior architecture, and interior architecture is subset of total architecture. Hence this book gives you a lots of guides and rules for certain things. So this book is highly recommended. It will come in handy for any situations where you need certain proper specifications. Next one is Time Saver Standards for Interior Design and Space Planning. This is the most important book I'm giving you for the reference. I even refer it, these two books especially, I highly refer these two books for anything and everything. This Time Saver Standards help me to get the layouts properly done, because it has certain rules over it, like different measurements I need to give between my bed and my wardrobe, or these sort of things is really well explained with all the drawings in this book. So I highly recommend you for this book. The third one in my list is Human Dimensions and Interior Space. This one and first book I already recommended you in the anthropometry lesson of my complete interior design tutorials. If you haven't watched it, please go and check out those videos. The link of the videos are given in the description. Please check out them, or you can go to my channel and check the playlist regarding interior design. The two playlists I highly recommend both to see both the playlists and watch the videos in them, because it will help you to grow as a designer. Then this is the third book. This book has every dimension of your wardrobe. If you are making it for a man, if you are making it for a woman, if you are how much should be the dining table length, a 4-seater, a 2-seater, everything is very well specified with the drawings, detailing, what thing might get wrong if you have certain things around it, has shown really well in this book. Please check out this. Then the last one is Interior Design, Material and Specifications. This book is for people who have less knowledge regarding materials of the interior design. The things have been specified really well in this book, so I recommend this. So these were the books in my list. Other things you can easily get from internet, but these books come really handy. Especially first 3 books are very helpful for any interior designer. So please check them out if you are interested to learn by yourself, because many of my subscribers asked me to give the list of the books to refer, hence the video for them. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to the channel and keep supporting me, keep helping me. It will help me to grow, it will help you.